Hi everyone, my name is Akshit
Hello everyone, my name is Preeti
and we are students of Government Model Senior Secondary School Bajaura.
and we both have ITeS as a vocational subject. So basically we have two technologies in ITeS curriculum, that is Python programming and MySQL database.
And we have used these two technologies in our model programming based on school management system.
On the back end we have used MySQL database and on the front end we have used Python programming. So here is the coding for our programming, that is school management. We have connected Python programming with MySQL database with the help of module, that is MySQL.connector. Here are the menu for our 7 modules.
This is the coding for our first module. This is coding for our second module. This is for third, for fourth. This is coding for our fifth module. This is for sixth. And the last one is to terminate the program.
Now let's run our program.
Here we can see our 7 modules. The first one is enter data for new student.
And the second one is for enter data for a new staff member.
The third one is search students data.
Fourth one is for search staff data with the help of his name.
The fifth one is remove student record with the help of his roll number.
And the sixth one is for remove staff record with the help of his name.
The seventh one is to exit or terminate the program.
Now let's move to the MySQL database. Here we have created a file named school and here we have 2 tables in it, that is staff table and a student table.
Let's move to our students table. For that we have to run a query, describe students table. Basically there are 4 fields: name, class, roll number and gender.
For seeing the fields in a staff table, we have to run a query, that is describe staff table. And here are the fields of staff table, that is name, gender, subject and salary.
Let's see there is any entry in our students table or not. For that we have to run a query, select star from student. Here we can see that it is an empty set, there is no entry in our table.
Now for seeing that is there any entry in staff table or not, we have to run a query, that is select star from student table. Here we can see that here is no entry and the set is empty.
Here is our first module, that is enter data for new student. For that we have to press 1. Here enter name of the student. For example we enter Ram. Here enter class of the student +2. Enter roll number of the student, for assuming it is 1. Enter gender of the student, male. Now we will do the same process again. Enter press 1. Enter name of the student. For example we assume Sita. Enter class of the student, 12th class. Enter roll number of the student, 2. Enter gender of the student, female. Here we can see that students records has been saved successfully. Let's check it. For that we have to run a query, select star from student. Here we can see that both the data of Ram and Sita has been entered successfully.
Now let's move to the second module, that is enter data for a new staff member. For this we have to press 2. Here is our first field, that is enter name of the staff member. Let's say it is Diksha. Enter gender of the staff, it's female. Enter department of the staff, mathematics. Enter salary, that is 80,000. Here we can see that staff record have been saved successfully. Now press 2 again. Enter name of the staff member, Aryan. Enter gender of the staff, it's male. Enter department of the staff, that's physics. Enter salary of the staff, it's 90,000. Now let's check it in MySQL database. For this we have to run a query, that is select star from staff table. Here we can see that both the entries have been saved successfully. Now let's move to our third module.
And here's our third module, that is search student's data with the help of his roll number. For that we have to press 3. Here enter roll number of the student, enter 1. Here we can see the name of the student, the class, roll number and gender.
Now let's move to the fourth module, that is search staff data. For this we have to press 4. Enter name of the staff member, let's say it's Aryan. Here we can see the details of the Aryan.
Let's move to our fifth module, that is remove student's record. For that we have to press 5. Enter roll number of the student 1. And here we can see that student's record has been deleted successfully. Let's check in MySQL database. For that we have to run a query, that is select star from student. Now here we can see that record of Ram has been deleted successfully.
Now let's move to the sixth module, that is remove staff record. For this we have to press 6. We can remove the details of the staff member with the help of his name. Let's say it's Aryan. Here we can see that staff record successfully deleted. Let's check it in MySQL database. For this we have to run a query, that is select star from staff table. Here we can see that the record of the Aryan has been deleted successfully.
Let's move to our last module, that is exit or terminate the program. For that we have to press 7. And here we can see that our program has been terminated successfully with a finish code 0.
Thank you.
Thank you.